Ever considered what it would be like to have an extra set of color crayons that our human peepers just can't see? Buckle up for a wild ride into the vibrant world of the mantis shrimp, a critter that deciphers a spectacle of colors that would have Picasso scratching his head. This mesmerizing nautical crustacean possesses one of the most intricate visual systems in the animal kingdom. While we humans see the world through a trifecta of color receptors, the mantis shrimp does a synchronized flamenco with a whopping 16. That's right, 16. This lets them perceive light wavelengths that are as invisible to us as a ninja in the night, including ultraviolet light. The science behind it is mind-blowing than a magic show. Those beady eyes, divided into 3 sections, enable them to spot colors, polarized light, and depth simultaneously, a spectacle that puts the rest of the animal kingdom to shame. Now brace yourself for this. A world exploding with hues and shades that could make a rainbow feel inadequate. Picture residing in a world where the colors you see are just the appetizer to a feast of hues you can't even fathom. Born in the low-key comedy club of the ocean depths, the mantis shrimp leads a life that's less ordinary and more, "You've gotta be kidding me." Buckle up, because the tale of the mantis shrimp starts as a microscopic translucent blip, a larva floating about as aimlessly as a piece of confetti in a parade. Now you might think, what, that little thing, don't this pint-sized marvel? It's about to embrace a life of full-blown grandeur and wide-eyed astonishment. As the calendar pages slip away, the larva evolves, growing into a teenage mantis shrimp, now rocking its signature club-like, business appendages. The ocean floor becomes its personalized dojo, a training ground where it can practice and perfect its famed shrimp smash. But don't you go thinking it's all about brute force and brawn in the life of a mantis shrimp. There's also some undersea soap opera. When it's time to find a mate, the mantis shrimp initiates a courtship ritual that could put the bachelor to shame. The males break into a dance, showcasing their snazzy colors to woo the ladies, while simultaneously shaking their burrows to send come-hither vibes. Following the match, it's time for the next episode. Parenthood. Plot twist alert. It's the males who guard the eggs, they're the last pieces of sushi at an all-you-can-eat buffet. After about 40 days, the eggs pop open and a fresh batch of mantis shrimps hit the ocean running. The proud and possibly relieved parents then part ways, ready to reboot the cycle. It's a life bursting with color, power, passion, and a good dose of drama. Imagine a blend of Dancing with the Stars, Fight Club, and Super Nanny underwater. It's a wild world down there in the deep blue, but the mantis shrimp doesn't just survive, it, wait for it, throws a shrimp-tastic rave. What if I told you that this little critter, the mantis shrimp, could throw a punch that would make a heavyweight boxer blush? Yes, you heard me right. This tiny, colorful sea dweller, no bigger than your finger, has a punch that's more rock concert than undersea calm, capable of through the strongest of obstacles. Let's set sail into the mechanics behind this oceanic version of a superhero power. The mantis shrimp, with its 2 types of claws, known as dactyl clubs, goes about its day hunting and protecting itself like a pint-sized gladiator in the sea. One of these claws, found in smashing mantis shrimps, is like a built-in jackhammer, delivering a punch that rivals a .22 caliber bullet. The other, found in spear mantis shrimps, is the perfect tool for a quick, precise, and deadly kebab skewering. These aren't just fancy accessories, they're the shrimp's primary hunting arsenal. Picture yourself as a crab, just chilling when suddenly, BAM! A mantis shrimp's claw lands a punch at such a speed, it feels like being hit by a very wet bullet. In an eye blink, you've gone from sunbathing to supper. But how do these tiny bruisers pack such a wallop? Well, the mantis shrimp's claws are essentially spring-loaded, working much like a crossbow. They store up energy in their muscles and release it in a single, explosive instant. This underwater haymaker accelerates at over 10,000 times the force of gravity, hitting speeds of 50 miles per hour faster than you can say sushi. But it's not just the speed of this punch that stuns, it's the sheer force. It's so intense it creates a shockwave in the water capable of stunning or killing prey, even if the punch doesn't land. This phenomenon, known as cavitation, can generate temperatures that rival the sun's surface in tiny bubbles around the shrimp's claw. So, next time you're at the beach, remember that under the waves a tiny creature is throwing punches with the impact of a speeding bullet, making shockwaves and even creating superheated bubbles. This mini but mighty mantis shrimp is the undisputed champion of the sea. Brace yourself to get your mind cartwheeled by these jaw-dropping facts about the mantis shrimp, the ocean's technicolor bruiser. Buckle up, folks, we're diving deep. You might fancy humans have the superior vision in the animal kingdom, but the mantis shrimp snickers at our audacity. This oceanic Picasso has a jaw-dropping 16 types of photoreceptor cells for color analysis, leaving our meager 3 looking like a kindergarten color chart. Picture a rainbow with a color palette so fabulous it's like Liberace's wardrobe exploded. Welcome to the world through the eyes of a mantis shrimp. And let's talk about those eyes, shall we? Did you know that each eye of a mantis shrimp is a trifecta? Each part offers a different type of view, giving it the 3D glasses effect with just one eye. Take that Avatar movie. Now let's chat about its lifespan. A mantis shrimp can live up to 20 years. That's 2 decades of ruling the seafloor like a crustacean godfather. Its diet? An all-you-can-eat seafood buffet featuring snails, crabs, and even other mantis shrimps. Cannibalism? Just another Tuesday for this feisty little mobster. And don't get me started on its burrow. This shrimp is a bona fide homebody playing king of the castle in its sand fort. But wait, there's more. The mantis shrimp's punch is so legendary it's like the Mike Tyson of the sea. It punches at bullet speed, creating a shockwave that can stun, dismember, or even kill its prey. And here's something to really knock your socks off. This pint-sized powerhouse's punch and complex vision are inspiring new technologies in fields from robotics to cancer detection. Yes folks, you heard it right. This tiny brawler could potentially revolutionize how we detect cancer. The mantis shrimp has been around longer than dinosaurs. It's not going anywhere. It's a survivor, a fighter, a wonder of evolution. This small critter packs a wallop, sees the world like a psychedelic artist, and holds secrets that could change our lives. Beneath the ocean surface, there's a universe of wonder, and the mantis shrimp is its resident superhero, cape and all. Move over, superheroes! The mantis shrimp is in town, stealing the limelight not just as a marvel of nature, but also as a surprising muse for scientific innovation. This vibrant undersea critter with its rainbow body and extraordinary abilities is causing more excitement in the scientific community than a new season of The Big Bang Theory. Let's dive into why. The mantis shrimp's eyes are truly a wonder. Each eye is divided into 3 parts, allowing it to see a spectrum of color that makes our human vision look as dull as a black and white movie. This isn't just a cool biology trivia, it's also sparking advancements in technology. Researchers are studying the shrimp's unique vision to develop more efficient cameras, sensors, optical devices. Imagine a world where our technology sees as vibrantly as a mantis shrimp. But the inspiration doesn't stop at the eyes. The mantis shrimp is renowned for its power punch, a strike so fierce that it can shatter glass aquarium walls faster than a kid demolishing a piñata. This punch is the result of an intricate structure of muscles and latches within the shrimp's claw, a rapid energy release system that engineers are itching to replicate. They're considering it in various fields, from designing more efficient car engines to creating high-impact machinery. And let's not forget the mantis shrimp's durable exoskeleton. It's like a natural Iron Man suit that withstands the shrimp's own powerful strikes, and it's catching the eye of material scientists. They're investigating this tough shell to create stronger, lighter materials. Picture bulletproof vests or car bumpers that can take a hit like a mantis shrimp's shell. The mantis shrimp is like nature's own comic book character. It sees more colors than most of us can comprehend, strikes with the speed of a bullet, and sports body armor that can withstand its own superpowered punches. Scientists and innovators are learning from this little dynamo, using its unique features to push advancements that could potentially transform our world. The mantis shrimp, an undersea critter, is creating bigger splashes than a cannonball dive, reminding us that the natural world is still the best source of mind-blowing surprises.